Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this beautifully presented 3-bedroom terrace property over on Verdun Avenue in Eccles. So to the front you can see we've got off-road parking for multiple cars and access down to the rear. So as we head on through, to the left of the property we've got the beautiful kitchen diner, fantastic space, really modern throughout, all modern fitted kitchen, wall and base units, integrated appliances, loads of space for a dining table, got the electric hob and extractor fan and boiler in the corner. To the other side we've got the large living area, brilliant space in here, perfect for families, entertaining guests. Does have a window to the front and the rear, so it's letting loads of natural light in both sides. And a gorgeous fireplace on the chimney breast there. Does also benefit from having the downstairs toilet just through here, and also access to the rear. So to the rear of the property we've got this gorgeous landscape garden, got access to the side through the gate there. It's a fantastic space. Just show you from the back so you can really see how much space it has to offer. Got the lovely paved area here, barely overlooked, so it's nice and quiet, especially in summer. Now as we head on upstairs, you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms and a 3-piece fitted bathroom. Again, this property is really well looked after throughout. It would be great for someone to just pick up the bags and move straight in without having to touch anything. So to the rear we've got the smallest of the bedrooms, which would still fit a double bed in, currently used as an office space. And to the front we've got the second bedroom, really good sized double, still loads of space for furniture as well. We've got the 3-piece family bathroom, which does have a bath, really modern in here, and through to the master, to this fantastic space. Loads of space in here for additional furniture. Just show you from the other angle. Again, benefits from having 2 windows either end, letting loads of natural light in. If you would like a viewing on the property, give us a call and we'll get you booked in.